coming into the US, being a French company, is a change of mindset. The French market is way smaller than the US. US can be compared as the whole of Europe. So the way you enter the market is you have to simplify your product. You have to industrialize everything. And I would say the main word, the main topic that comes back all the time is the word scale. You have to be able to scale your business. If you can't scale the business, don't come in the US. When you look at Europe, you have a lot of different markets. You have a lot of different regulation, languages. So everything is different. It's a different mindset. If you look at, as an example, as the publisher, they have much more power in Germany rather than in the UK. So the way you approach the market is much different. When you come in the US, it's a huge market, and everything is fast, and you have to scale all the time. So when you compare Europe and US, I would say in Europe we are pretty strong at technology. Our engineers are really good. People are working really hard. In the US, the main assets is going to be two things. Going to be sales and marketing. It's much faster and much more efficient. What we do is user-centric. When we started the company, we wanted to create something that was different than what we saw on the market. We all are users, so we were like, we are kind of annoyed with the ads we're using to see, so we wanted to see something different. And there was a lot of competition for the same product. So we were like, let's focus on something different. We saw that the skins, which is the homepage takeover, was an interesting format, which was high impact, non-intrusive, but really hard to use. Like to display a campaign, it was a lot of time, a lot of resources, was not effective at all. And we completely changed the way of using the skins to make it really simple, really efficient. We changed the execution, we developed our own technology, we changed the business model. And thanks to this bet, I would say, now it's working well. The main things when you look at what the advertiser and the publisher are looking for today, I would say is remove the middleman, get more transparency, and be much more efficient in the way they're doing the business. Programmatic completely changed the way of using the ads today. We are not focusing on just one website, we're focusing on the user, the possibilities are endless. So if you want to use it the right way, you need to get a certain level of training, of knowledge, and this is, I would say, the hardest part in the industry now. Regarding the challenge, the publisher are looking to get more control because of the programmatic, they kind of lose some control on the business. So header bidding is a big topic, it's a hot topic. Everybody is speaking about it, but doing it the right way is something different. And same thing on the advertiser side, they wanted to kind of remove the agencies, but you don't remove an agency like this. Like onboarding the programmatic, such with company like Netflix, like AB InBev, it's not that easy. You need to have the full team, again, fully trained and with the right knowledge. So I would say training is the key, and also having all the right technologies that could speak once to each other, that would be great. So getting much more standard on the market. Our DNA is high impact, non-intrusive and scalable. So scalable to come in the US, high impact to be efficient for the advertiser, and non-intrusive, that was the key. It should be user-centric. And if an ad do not respect the user, you won't get the proper result out of it. Like if you take a pop-up, the user gonna get a bad experience with the ads and then with the brand, so the result won't be good. The lean, that's, I would say, the base of the ads, the way it should be considered. So we support this initiative, and we really wanted to make it happen. Like it's still the start, but we believe that if we are user-centric, then the industry is going in the right direction. Regarding the evolution of high impact, that's just the start. I believe the users are now way different than if you look at 10 years ago. They know the way the market is evolving. They know that we want them to see the ad, to click on the ad. So if you show the right ad, they might more click on it. They might be interested in it. So the high impact might be a big factor, but you need to use it the right way. If you don't, again, respect the user, there are going to be no point, and we will come back on what we used to see with the ads all over the place, with no efficiency and so on. So you need to find the right balance between both. And also having the high impact available programmatically, that's a big change, because you can use things way differently. You're not targeting again just one site for the whole day, targeting users the right way, the right pacing and everything. So again, it has to be user-centric and efficient. Regarding the add.txt initiative, the main challenge will be the implementation. I'm pretty sure it will be hard at start, but at the end of the day, that's a really good initiative. The idea is to to remove all the middlemen that are bringing no value. The idea is to kind of cleaning the industry. The industry has a lot of the way of thinking is interesting, but then the implementation is always the hardest part. We all know that fraud is a big issue. Adding this little the add.txt file might have a big impact. So we'll see if the effects are correct, but implementation might be tough. Yeah. So to position ourselves for the future, the idea is to keep thinking differently. When we started the company, a lot of people told us, like, you guys are crazy, like selling skins on a CPC basis. So CPC today is just one model we're using, but on a CPC basis, you are crazy. But the idea is not to stay where we are today, is to look in the future and make a real evolution. So we want to think differently. We want to keep being user-centric. That's for me the key. And we didn't really speak about it, but in this industry, the level of service you bring to your customers, it's the main asset you should be thinking of. So think about the user, of course, but then think about your customers. So be user-centric and customer-centric. And also, we are planning to launch some new projects. We want to go beyond the metrics that are on the market today, which are, again, for us, not sufficient.